How to change your MetaMask language. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your MetaMask language in easy, fast way. So first thing we do is we go to MetaMask right here, as you can see, and this is the home page. Now you need to go to the top corner right here, click on those three lines, and then go down to settings right here and click on settings. And after that you go to we have many options here, but you need to choose the first option here, general, and here you go down and you will find current language. Now you have the accessibility to change it to Spanish or Hindi or Japanese or Korean or Portuguese or Brazil or Russian or whatever language that you have here. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please, if it is, don't forget to like and subscribe.